Hello guys, this is Tushar Imran from Ice Multimedia. Today I'm going to show you how to fix white balance. As you can see, this is a beautiful picture of a friend of mine, and I took this photo with my DSLR camera Nikon D5200. So this picture is beautiful, but it has some blue shadow cast, so we have to bring it in normal mode with natural color, so that would be look more beautiful, and I can do everything whatever I want if I got a natural clear picture. Okay, so this picture is beautiful, but it has some blue cast, so I have to fix it on white balance. So let's get started to work. First of all, select your picture, and from your keyboard click Ctrl, Alt and Shift. Ctrl, Alt and Shift, and then click N. It will bring you a new adjustment layer. Okay, so here you have to click again Shift backspace. Now you will get this window. You have to select 50% gray, and everything is opacity 100%, mode normal, and then click OK. Now go here and select mode normal to difference. You just click to difference mode. Okay, so now you have to do is just go here and click on threshold. Okay, threshold. Now pull down threshold all the way down, and slowly just bring back. You will get this kind of dark area. Okay, that's done. Now you click I from your keyboard, then click on Shift and press any dark area. Okay, I got this dark area here. Now uncheck this visible icon from your two layers and remain only your main layers. Now go here again and click on curves. Just click on curves and select this middle point color picker here. Click here, and now click on this little eyedropper tool. Bam, your white balance should be fine. This is a way to fix your white balance, and now I'm gonna show you another way to fix your white balance, because different kind of method work on different kind of picture. Okay, so here we got our previous picture. This is easiest way to fix white balance. Just go to image, adjustment, and match color. Okay, now all you need to do is just check on neutralize. Yeah, bam, your picture is white balance is okay.